Here I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open settings, then you will have to enter general management, go to the Samsung keyboard settings, languages and types, manage input languages. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on this device. You have some of the downloaded languages. You also have a list of the all available languages. You will firstly need to download them from the internet, and then you can type in these languages. I'll just select one of the pre-installed. For example, let's select maybe Greek, and then let's try to write something down in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have a Greek layout on my keyboard here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.